This is your Piktochart visual dashboard. From the dashboard area, you can check out, edit, and preview all of your visuals that you have saved. And if you click on these three dots here at the top, you'll also be able to share, save as a template, duplicate, open on web, present, or delete your visuals. If you want to organize your visuals into folders, you can click this Add Folder option, name your folder, and have it appear at the top. That way, you can sort your visuals into different folders for organization purposes. You can also organize the visuals in your dashboard by last modified or alphabetically, and use the search bar to search for any of your visuals. Here at the top is where you can find your different template styles. If you wish to create visuals using AI, hover over this area and select your preferred format. If you prefer to create from a manual template and you're looking to create a poster, you can click on this poster option, which will allow you to view all of the different pre-designed poster templates that are available, and you can do the same for all the other templates. We highly recommend that you use Pikto AI templates to create your visuals in seconds. Next, if you want to invite a team member to join your workspace, you can click on Invite Member here. And if you hover over the profile icon, you'll be able to access your account settings and view all of the other options as well as log out of your account. If you are a paying user, you can save your created and saved visuals as a template for quick access, and so that you can avoid modifying the original. For example, you are on a shared workspace with other team members and you want to use a specific template for quick access. You can save it as a template, where you will be able to use that visual that you have created as a template. Once someone uses it as a template and modifies it, it does not modify the original as I've mentioned, but it does save as a new visual which you'll be able to access here on your dashboard. Now let's talk about Piktochart Video. Here is the Piktochart Video dashboard, and from this area you can start recording your webcam or use the screencast feature, and you can upload your videos from your computer, import from Drive, import from Zoom. They'll appear here in the project section, and then you can edit the videos. They'll appear here once you have exported the clips, and of course you can download it to your device from the dashboard area. You can also hover over this bar to see how many minutes you have left for the month. So this is a quick overview of the Piktochart Visual and Piktochart Video dashboards.